Hello guys! So, it's been a while na wala ko ka-walking, jogging, or run. Siguro mga 3 days na, kay 3 days na straight dito sa Davao nag-ulan. So, today, wala pa may ulan, so I can go out and jog. And I'm feeling a little bit tamad today. Kasi I take my magnesium. So, you know naman what's magnesium. Kaya siya na magnesium, mag-take na ako. Pampakalm. Pang-calm sa akong mind and my muscle and my body. So, if ever you suffer from anxiety or matulog or too much worry, you better take magnesium, guys. So, this kind of magnesium really helps sa ako ang mind. Kay super duper anxiety lately, kaya mga beronon, daghang mga problems, daghang kay kag mga gihunahuna. So sometimes isig ka matulog, mahirapan ka matulog. So nagaikot-ikot ang mind. So magnesium really helps to calm your mind, your body, your muscle, and it helps you sleep well. So take magnesium now, okay? And I will go out and I will jog na. Okay, if you want this kind of magnesium, I will link the description below, okay? And just click my yellow basket.